Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and trending down sides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. Today is Tuesday, October the 17th. You could see how USB, which is US Bank, pops up in the number one overall position at TradeAlgo.com for our users to take advantage of and see here at the beginning of the day with a 476% increase in institutional bullish pressure. So no surprises, the stock is up over 7.5% as a result. If we go to the TradeAlgo Alerts tab, we can see exactly when our proprietary machine learning technology was identifying these large institutional transactions in private exchanges. 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6.87 times the average amount of bullish volume is identified than is normally seen there. So if we go to USB's real-time stock chart, you can see the large move it made from the beginning of the day to the end, with a huge spike up here all the way to 36.21 at one point. Now, what our technology was detecting is that typically only about $117 million of USB stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day total average. Today, Tuesday, October the 17th alone, more than $550 million. So hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. No wonder it's making that large directional move. And again, the point is to get the data down here with TradeAlgo instead of hearing about it over here after it's already moved. If you had followed along with smart money transactions, you could see a nice list of triple and even quadruple digit winners. But let's say, for example, you had done the $34 call option. We're going to take a look at the 5-minute chart. All the way down here, the 17th. This is the 935 candle. Options were about 35 cents at its maximum and over 520% return, closing out the day right at around a 300% return. But it's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it. Remember, it's about getting the signals and the data down here at 934 with TradeAlgo, as opposed to getting it on the news or through other outlets in the retail or consumer space over here after it's already moved. For example, maybe you didn't even make the trade until noon Eastern Standard Time, and then maybe you got out early at a horrible exit. That's still a triple-digit return. And it wasn't just USB. There were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. Let's just take a look at one more to wrap up the day. Etsy, number 4 in the overall list at TradeAlgo.com from what our AI and machine learning technology is identifying through these private exchanges, nearly a 200% increase in institutional bullish volume. Stock jumps nearly 6% as a result. If we go to the TradeAlgo Alerts tab again, you could see that it was also identified at 9:34 a.m. with nearly double the average amount of activity behind the scenes that it would normally have. If you had followed smart money transactions on this one, and let's say you had done some call options, nice list of triple-digit returns there as well. The $70 call option had the most daily volume and open interest. I mean, you could see any one of these are up triple digits, but let's go ahead and go to the 5-minute chart because, again, we know our AI picked it up at 9:34. So this is the 9:35 candle in which options opened around like 22 cents at its maximum and over 565% return. Again, maybe you got in at 10 a.m. and maybe you got out early at a triple-digit return. Use TradeAlgo. Use better resources to get information and data here, speed and transparency. Stop chasing it over here. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.